It was an explosive start to the trial many have been waiting for years. Good evening. I'm Paul Cicchini.
And I'm Jennifer Roscoe. Prosecutors say Brent Christensen kidnapped and killed U of I scholar Ying Zhang, and his defense lawyers agree with them. Zhang hasn't been seen for 2 years, and her body hasn't been found. But today in court, we learned more about what may have happened to her. We have team coverage tonight. WCIA3's Courtney Bunting is live in Urbana at the federal courthouse there. But first, we go over to Aaron Eads, who's live outside the federal courthouse in Peoria. That's where the trial is taking place. Aaron, his own legal team says he killed her.
Yeah, Jennifer, during opening statements this morning, Assistant Public Defender George Tassif dropped a bombshell. I'm going to read you his direct quote. Quote, Brent Christensen is responsible for the death of Ying Zhang. Brent Christensen killed Ying Zhang, and nothing that we say or do during this phase of the trial will be an attempt to sidestep or deny that. That brought up a question that he immediately answered. Then why are we having a trial? Tassif told the jury this is an attempt to save Christensen's life because he could face the death penalty if the jury finds him guilty. The defense says they're going to focus on disputing testimony and evidence the prosecution presents. And they almost painted Christensen as a victim, talking about his failed marriage, alcohol abuse, and poor performance in school. The prosecution's opening statement, on the other hand, was more straightforward but not easy to listen to. Assistant U.S. Attorney Eugene Miller repeated several times, quote, he kidnapped her, he murdered her, he covered it up. He says their evidence will show Christensen sexually assaulted and beat Ying Zhang on a mattress, then carried her to his bathtub, hit her on the head with a Louisville Slugger bat as hard as he could, stabbed her in the neck, cut off her head, then disposed of her remains. He characterized Christensen as very smart, but says he still failed to get rid of all the evidence we're going to hear about over the next several days. Now, coming up tonight at 6, I'm going to tell you more about which witnesses prosecutors called to testify today and how the defense reacted to that. Live in Peoria, Aaron Eads, WCIA3, your local news leader.
Aaron, thank you for that.